how to attach a map, GPS location, or share an address in text messages on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the text messages app. Next, in here, you can compose a new text message, or you can open up an existing conversation. Next, tap on Messages text box. And here, we're going to tap on the Attach button. That is the plus button right there. Tap on it. And then tap on Location. Next in here, you can choose a location. So just in here, we can navigate to a location that you want to share. So I'm going to select this location right here. So touch and hold on this location. Now I'm just trying to see if I can use the now there is no such text box, so unfortunately we're going to have to so I'm going to attach a location.